This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Propaganda. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Borussia Dortmund 4. My brother, how's it? Sharp text, man. Ufila kanjani game vandag?
Yeah, first Kulman Gustavo, great game from the boys, we played the way they're supposed to play. That's how Mamelodi Sundowns plays, dominate position, dominate the opponent, even though we're sloppy here and there, but you have to give credit to the team, for them to create a high number of chances. Clap hands for that, credit to the coaching staff.
3 goals.
Three goals. It's crazy, you could have
also
gotten more.
4 goals because of it was an own goal also.
Yes. So, but now you could have created a high number. You could have gotten a lot of goals. Created a high number of chances.
Yeah.
You created the chances that Matthews got in the first half. Crazy chances. Supposed to convert from those chances, but I have to give credit to him also for that assist to Ribeiro.
Yeah.
Credit also to the Brazilian. I'm wearing the Brazilian shirts in the rep of the boys.
Yeah.
He's making us proud as one of our best players. But aside from him, you're also looking at a player like Reyners. Has been incredible. Just those two have been incredible in the league for us. Incredible domestically, in the continent. Also to go at the Club World Cup and do that.
Exactly, yeah.
2 games. Ribeiro, Reyners 2 goals.
Exactly, yeah.
Credit to Ribeiro also.
Are you not scared that you're going to lose him?
I'm looking at a lot of players, looking at the Reyners, looking at the Ribeiro, Allende
Exactly,
in midfield. Coach Carlos always speaks about Allende, saying that we don't give the boy the credit that he deserves. That boy is a star, that boy is a gem.
He's the best,
To be able to play like that against the likes of Dortmund in that midfield, to only misplace 1 pass out of 57 passes. That's crazy from a player like Allende.
Exactly. So your message to them going to the 3rd game, that's a tough one. It's a must-win game. Message to them. Yeah.
Similar to us, Fluminense want to dominate position, they want to dominate the ball. But if you can dominate the ball against the Dortmund, trust me, you will dominate the ball against the Fluminense. Yeah, we can rotate the ball well. What I would like to say to the boys, good luck, boys, going forward. You made us proud going thus far. A win and to lose like that, that's how you lose. You lose proud. You lose with your head up high. Clap your hands for the boys and. It's gonna be tough though. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. Yeah.
Hard luck for tonight, but all the best in future.
Thank you, good.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.